Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download DaVinci Resolve on your computer. So for downloading that, open any web browser and then search DaVinci Resolve. Now go to this first link, Blackmagic Design, here DaVinci Resolve 20. So this is the official website of DaVinci. Now scroll down, then click on this free download now. So now you have to select your operating system. So as I am on Windows, so I have select here Windows. Now here you have to fill some information. So let me fill and then I will show you what to do next. So after filling the information, you have to click on this register and download. So here you can see downloading has been started. So just wait till the downloading ends. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So now here you can see downloading has been completed. Now we have to extract this file. So let me open this file. So here you can see this is the application which we have to install. So first let me extract this. So here you can see it is extracting. So here you can see it is extracted. Now by pressing double click on it, we can install this exe file on our computer. So let me install. So now click on next. Now tick mark this and click on next. Then again click on next. Then click on install. So now here you can see it is installing and updating all the component registration and whatever it requires. So here you can see installation complete and DaVinci showing. Now I can open this by pressing double click. So let me open this. So now click on continue. Now click this escape and start right now. So now here you can see DaVinci Resolve has been successfully downloaded, installed and launched on our computer. So this is how you can download DaVinci Resolve on your computer. So just wait till the DaVinci Resolve opens. Also, one thing you have to take into the mind that is the installation can take up to 15 minutes or more according to your PC configuration. So please be patient while installing DaVinci. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.